Replacing the ear cushions. Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. Find a nice, flat, clean surface to work on. I also recommend keeping a cleaning cloth or maybe a few wet wipes around. For replacing the ear cushions, we don't need any additional tools. Now, before we get started with the ear cushions, I have a very important message to make. When twisting, please hold on to the textile part of the ear cushion with one hand and the plastic side with the other hand. We don't want you to accidentally break your headphones. To remove the ear cushion, you'll need to twist it in a specific direction. Now, to figure out which way to twist, check the side of the device you're working on. Now let's figure this out together. Place the Fairbuds XL on a flat surface in front of you. The speakers and ear cushions should be facing you, and the headband should be facing away. For the right side, you'll need to twist the ear cushion away from you. For the left side, you'll need to twist it towards you. As you twist, you should hear a click when the ear cushion releases. Putting the ear cushions back in is easy to do as well. Align the ear cushions with the hooks on the inside of the device. Make sure to match the arrow on the ear cushion to the arrow on the speaker. You'll want to make sure the hooks are securely engaged in the holes on the ear cushion. Then, repeating what we did, twist them in place in the opposite direction that you used to get them out. So, for the right ear cushion, you need to twist towards you. And for the left, twist away. Again, make sure you're holding the non-textile part of the cushion as you twist. You should hear a click when the ear cushions are securely in place. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, check out the links in the description below. You can also check out our online repair tool to help diagnose any issues you might be facing. And that's it. I hope you really enjoy your Fairbuds XL.